Are you experiencing error code NW-102468-1 on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change Wi-Fi frequency bands. The PlayStation 5 error code NW-102-468-1 typically occurs due to network connectivity issues. This error indicates that the PS5 console is having trouble connecting to the PlayStation network or maintaining a stable connection. Go to Settings, then select Network, then select Settings. Next, select Set up Internet Connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and press the Options button. Choose Wi-Fi frequency bands and manually select either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz based on your needs and distance from the router. Method 2. Check your internet connection. The next thing you should check is that you are connected to a stable internet connection. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Test Internet Connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check the internet speed. You can contact your local service provider for help. Method 3. Use a LAN cable. If Wi-Fi doesn't work, try using an Ethernet cable to connect your PS5 directly to the router. A wired LAN or local area network cable provides a reliable and stable internet connection. Wired connections generally offer more stability compared to wireless ones, reducing the chances of dropped connections or interference. Moreover, LAN cables provide higher data transfer speeds and lower latency, which is essential for online gaming and other high bandwidth activities. So grab a LAN cable and see if it resolves the issue. Method 4. Restart your router. The next thing you can do is restart the router or modem. To do that, turn off your router and modem. Wait at least 5 minutes. Turn them back on. Now check if that could resolve the issue. Method 5. Check the placement of the device. To optimize your PS5's performance and ensure a stable connection, thoughtful placement is key. Position your PS5 as close to your router as you can, minimizing signal travel distance and potential connectivity issues. Clear any obstacles between your PS5 and the router. Remove physical barriers like walls, furniture, or other electronic devices that might interfere with the signal strength. By strategically placing your PS5 and eliminating obstructions, you will enjoy a more stable and robust connection, enhancing your gaming experience. Method 6. Reset router to factory settings. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset options. Select Reset your console option. Method 7. Update router firmware. The next thing you can do is update the router's firmware. For this, you can contact your service provider and ask for help. Method 8. Change DNS settings. The next thing you can do is change the DNS settings. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select Network, then select Settings under Network. Now select Set up Internet Connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, then go to Options and select Advanced Settings. Scroll down to DNS settings. Select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once done, select OK. Once done, head to the network page. Now select Test Internet Connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. Method 9. Contact support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can visit the PlayStation support page for further assistance. Follow the guide provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it. The methods to fix the issue when you are getting error code NW-102468-1 on your PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.